feel like a celebrity right now. For Minnesota. We sat this morning, saw 2 deer, 2 does, both of which I would have shot, but they were pretty far away. I think they got maybe within 150 yards, 100 yards maybe. But tonight we're in a different stand. We're in a stand where we can see really far. The stand where I shot a doe out of last year, and I shot 2 bucks out of. So it's actually a pretty good spot. We got a trail camera about 70 yards in front of us. And we just have a constant string of different bucks coming through there at night in the daylight. So we can see a really long ways in the stand, both directions. So if nothing else, hopefully we can get some footage of deer if we don't get one, but should be pretty good sit because the wind's died down a little bit and it's pretty cold, so hopefully we can get something on the ground.
I couldn't see her. Can you see him? He's going over the hill. I know. He's coming. He's coming. You're good. I'm on him. Yes. Yeah. No. Come here. I know. He's gonna go down right there. I'm watching him. Dude, he's swaying. Walking. Hey.
I fucking smoked a big 8.
No way.
I'm not kidding you, dude. 20 yards, put it right through him. We watched him go down. I think he went down right in CRP at 70 yards. And
let me get down there before.
Stay kind of quiet.
I'm gonna head out right
stayed kind of quiet. We're in the stand, but it for sure wasn't the split brow one. It was that other 4.5-year-old 8 we had down that first pictures of. Oh man, I was like, Ryan, you on him? And he's like, yep. Just let it go. And I just watched my Illuminati disappear in his chest.
Pictures.
Okay, I'll be down in a little bit. I'm gonna head that way. I'll walk slow.
Let's go. Okay.
Stay there. Don't do anything until I get there.
We give him time.
Yeah, I know. We have time. Okay. So we just smoked one. He did. It was one of the 8s we were after. Literally, we have trail cam photos. He showed up last week of him coming through the opening 70 yards. And we're not sure if it was, we saw a buck come through at 70 yards right up at that opening. And he wandered up at the top of the hill. We thought he was going to bed down. And all of a sudden, Ryan's just, oh, there's 3 huge bucks right there. And all of a sudden, I look over, and 50 yards, a buck is just on a beeline right at us. He comes in 20 yards, and we just looked at the footage. We put it right in his chest. And we're pretty positive he's down. We gave it about, I don't know, maybe 10-15 minutes probably now. But my brother's on his way. Oh, I'm so pumped we got one. We got a buck, so we're gonna get down, we're gonna find him. Let's go. Okay, we just hopped out of the stand. We're gonna get on blood. We got some right here. It's the first blood, and it looks pretty good. That's good blood. It is just coated with red.
Dude, it looks pink when it's a white fletching.
What does that smell like, Ryan? You're probably better at this than I am. It smells like guts.
There's guts right on, yeah. There's guts right under the heart. You got guts. You can see corn.
But I probably got his heart, did they?
Yeah, that's how much blood there is.
Oh, that's dead.
That's awesome. Right in the trail,
Should
dude.
I drive to him?
Yeah, just drive right up. I can't believe that. I told you he didn't make it out of the CRP.
There he is. Still alive. I just saw him take a big deep breath. That's the exit there.
That's guts.
The guts are coming from. Oh, I'm so scared, dude.
He's done. Hold that Minnesota monster up.
Look at that neck, dude. I am proud of this deer. That left side with that split brow. He's been rubbing like crazy.
Yo, that's a big deer.
That is a big deer.
Dude, look at how big his head is.
He's got a big. That is a Minnesota monster.
Hold your hand up to that neck. Dude, that thing
Dude,
is
you wanna
a
talk about
tank.
Minnesota.
He's been rubbing hard.
Oh, he smells like it too. All right, guys, it's about 8:30. We got him. We found him. We're kind of in a hurry to get back to school, so we're gonna try to make things go a little bit quicker. But we're gonna get him gutted, get him loaded up. Overall, tonight was a pretty hectic hunt. Actually, we saw a few shooter bucks. It was tough to get the camera on them just because of the way we were sitting, and there's a big tree in the way, and with how tall the CRP was, it's almost impossible to get film of them. But yeah, we saw this guy about 60 yards. He came in, and I spotted him, and I kind of regretted not taking the shot a little bit at 60 yards, but he starts walking away, and we grunt, snort, wheeze, and sure enough, he comes right back in. You know, grunt and snort, wheeze on October 13th, you know, I never would think I would be even doing that, but yeah. So we got a 2-hour drive. We're gonna get back in the truck. Jared still got a Wisconsin tag. I still got a Wisconsin tag to fill. So we're gonna be trying to get bucks in Wisconsin on film. So yeah, but for now, thanks for watching, guys.